In businesses, a resource management software gives teams and organizations a way to plan work, assign responsibilities, and follow how resources like people, time, equipment, and space are being used so projects stay on track. And when the conversation turns to top resource management software, Resource Guru usually leads the discussion. It provides a live view of workloads, points out overbooking right away, and works smoothly with the calendars teams already depend on. Today, we're walking through Resource Guru to see the features that make it our trusted option for smoother, more manageable project planning. Right after you sign into Resource Guru, the interface immediately feels clear and organized. Along the top runs a navigation bar that keeps the experience grounded. You'll notice tabs for Schedule, Requests, and Reports, covering sections you'll return to each day. Account settings are placed in the top right corner, meaning key preferences are always within a click. When it comes to onboarding, Resource Guru provides a quick start walkthrough. It guides you step by step through creating resources, adding teammates, and setting up your first bookings, helping reduce wasted time and confusion. A feature is the dashboard view. Instead of calendar tools that rely only on monthly layouts, this view presents schedules in weekly segments. This makes it easy to scan availability and understand who is booked during any specific work week. The platform also offers two-way calendar syncing with Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook. Booking changes made inside Resource Guru appear on your external calendar, and updates there flow back the same way. Everything stays aligned without work. When you step into scheduling, the main purpose is keeping time management simple without excessive clicking or digging through menus. You choose the date, enter the task details, note who it's for, decide how long it will take, and press confirm. What truly makes a difference is the way availability works. If you prefer not to show others when you're off the clock, that's easy to control, and those hours stay hidden. If you want people to see when you're available, you can allow that too. You can also enable the heat map, which is a visual guide showing how busy your calendar looks. It offers three views. One displays everything you've scheduled, one focuses only on billable hours, and another highlights the time you still have open. The colors shift from light to dark, so you can quickly spot heavier days. And with tagging, each booking can be labeled by purpose, client, project, or anything else, making filtering later simple and keeping everything organized. Most people don't like filling out timesheets, but Resource Guru makes it easier to deal with. Instead of starting from nothing, it already brings in the hours you were supposed to work and shows them as your log. You can check the time, change it if something took longer or shorter, add a short note, and pick if that time can be billed. Everything is clear and easy to follow, which helps stop mistakes, especially when you're working with different clients or projects. After you finish, your manager can look it over and approve it with one click. That part doesn't take long either. It feels like part of your normal workday, not extra work, so keeping track of hours feels simpler. Inside the People and Resources tab, the process begins by adding everything that needs to be placed on the schedule, including specific team members, temporary role placeholders for future hires, meeting spaces, equipment such as vehicles, and other assets. Each person or resource comes with a detailed profile. For team members, this covers contact details, skills, custom fields, and a clear snapshot of which projects and clients they are currently assigned to. This gives managers immediate access to the information they need without unnecessary searching. When managing a large workforce or setting things up for the first time, the bulk import tool becomes a major time saver by allowing you to upload your full roster through a spreadsheet tailored to your account. After setup, adding resources manually is fast, and access controls make sure only authorized users, like managers, can edit details. What truly separates Resource Guru is how it treats people and physical resources equally, making it just as easy to check a room or vehicle as it is to view someone's availability. When you go to projects and clients, the experience is simple and easy to follow. The screen is clean, so nothing feels confusing or crowded. If you want to add a new project or client, you click New, choose what you're adding, enter the details, and you're done. You can pick a project manager, decide how billing should work, and add custom fields to track things like stages or priorities based on how you like to work. After that, the system connects any bookings straight to the right project or client. This lets you see what work is happening, who is doing it, and how time is being used. Because everything is in one place, there's no need to jump between tools or spreadsheets. It makes staying organized and making decisions feel easier. Now, Resource Guru makes it easier to understand your team's schedule by using clear, readable reports. It organizes data into categories like people and resources, placeholders, projects, clients, and activity types. With everything sorted this way, finding the numbers you need becomes quick and straightforward. You're able to view schedules by day or hour, and filters help narrow results exactly as needed, by role, team, or any custom fields you've created. If you want to check how many billable hours were spent on a specific client last month, simply choose your filters, open the Work tab, and the details are there. For tracking time off, including vacations or sick leave, the Downtime section gives you full visibility. When it's time to share or save reports, exporting is simple, offering CSV or Excel files with complete raw data for deeper review. So far, Resource Guru helps you plan resources without the headache, using a clean interface, clear scheduling heat maps, connected timesheets, and thorough reports. If managing team workloads and keeping projects on schedule matters to you, try Resource Guru free for the first 30 days. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.